Fast and easy how to set up an alarm on your phone. The fastest way, if you have the widget of the clock here in the screen, this is the easiest way to do it. But if you don't have the widget of the time or your clock on the page, you have to find this app called the clock. You enter here. In the bottom you have a lot of options. The first one is the alarm, and then remember, the video is good for you. Give me some bucks, share and like and comment, and you're gonna press here in the plus signal, and let's see, we want to wake up at 6. More very important, select AM, go okay, and here it's gonna ask to you, maybe it's gonna be all the days or maybe some days, and that's all you have to do. In this moment the alarm is activated and it's set to tomorrow to 6 a.m. It's maybe, I put a different alarm, maybe 2 p.m. It's very important to select p.m. or then it's not gonna work for you. That's all you have to do. And we have 2 alarm sets in this moment. Well, we have a lot of alarms set here. If you want to deactivate alarm, all you have to do is this, and all are deactivated. Remember to subscribe, comment, and give me some bucks if the video was good for you, and thank you.